Keep it 100.
Yeah. What up, Jay?
My God, Jay
Making movies.
Rock money enough. Ascoltala.
Yeah. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm popping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy.
YouTube family, we are back. Yes, we are back for yet another video, man. Today your boy Jay is bringing y'all the review, the lace swap, and the on feet, man, to the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Starfish. So yes, man, this shoe is set to officially release on Thursday, October 27th, I believe is the release date. Retail price is $170. Alright, that's that stuff. Let's talk about sizing, man. I know a lot of people are going to be taking out insoles, my size 11 people, and a lot of people are just gonna be salty about these, man, because this shoe only goes up to a men's 10.5. I didn't mention this is a women's exclusive, so it does go up to a men's 10.5, women's size 12, and I feel like this is another one that Jordan Brand dropped the ball on, man. This should have been a full family size shoe, man, because it does very much so resemble the past iconic Air Jordan 1 reverse shattered backboard, in my opinion. It does have a twist to it, got a little, aged look and all that good stuff, man. But I do feel that this should have been a full family size run shoe, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. And while y'all down there, man, make sure y'all hit that like button for your boy, man. But yes, man, we about to talk about those. Before we do, man, if this is y'all first time stopping through, man, hit that subscribe button, man. I truly appreciate y'all stopping through. We just need y'all to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I do notice that there's a lot of people that aren't subscribed watching the channel, man. So we need y'all to go ahead and join the fam, man. Turn on those post notifications and all that good stuff so you can get notified whenever new content drops, which will be very frequent, man. Your boy Jay's about to come hit y'all with these videos, man. We wrapping up 2022 and we trying to hit that 100K by December 31st, man. So we get into it, man. Thank y'all for all that y'all do. Always big shout out to the OGs. Y'all know who y'all are if y'all been rocking out with your boy Jay, man. But other than that, man, we got some Jordan 1 Starfishes to talk about, man, so let's get right into it. Bang! Here we have them, man. The upcoming, or maybe already released, man, depending on when y'all watching this video, Air Jordan 1 Starfish, women's exclusive, Jordan Brand. But I feel for y'all, my Bigfoot gang, I feel for y'all on these, because this is, whew, I don't know if I want to say top 3, man. It might possibly be top 3. I know it's definitely top 5 Air Jordan 1 of the year. And man, y'all let me know, bro. Y'all let me know. Just take a look at it real quick. Let me hide this hang tag so y'all can just accept, you know what I'm saying, the beauty of this shoe. I guess that might be the correct word to use, because this is a women's exclusive. But, hey, accept just the fireness, man. It does have some nice materials, man. Like I did say, it does resemble a shattered backboard. Yeah, I said shattered backboard. Appreciate you. Bang! It does resemble a shattered backboard colorway. As I did tell y'all, it does resemble the reverse shattered backboards, which I do have a extremely clean pair. Like, yeah, let me just go ahead and acknowledge these right quick, man. This is an extremely clean pair, man. And as you can see, man, toe box, this had some phenomenal leather, and so did the OGs. But man, shattered backboard reverses, I think those look kind of similar to these. colors. Let's talk about the colors real quick while I got them out, man. It is a different color, slightly different color, man. They kind of look the same on camera, or maybe it doesn't. I don't know what y'all are seeing right now, but it's a slightly different color, man. I want to say that the Starfish Air Jordan 1s are more on the pumpkin side, man. So if you mashing up some sweet potatoes or something, man, that color that you do get, that darker orange, is what you will have on the Starfish Air Jordan 1s. It's more of a bright, you know what I'm saying, like a bright popping orange on the Shattered Backboard 2.0s, but here they both go. We're not gonna spend too much time on these because the topic is these. So let's get rid of these and focus on these, man. So let's go ahead and dive into it, starting with the box. Hold on. Before we talk about the box, man, are y'all traveling the right way? Bang, man. So, hey, real quick, I have fallen in love with this bag, man. This is the Sole Premise monogram bag. It just recently dropped, man. It's not even a month old now, I want to say, and it's just fire, man. It does look like a premium, like a luxury designer type bag, man. It does have that Sole Premise branding carved all throughout it, and the leather, of course, as I always tell y'all, is phenomenal on Sole Premises bags, man. You see that SP, that gold, that 14 karat, I mean, it's not 14 karat gold, but you feel what I'm saying, bro. But definitely a fire bag, man. This is the daily commuter bag. It holds 2 pairs of shoes on the inside. Real quick, let me show y'all. On the inside, you can store a pair of shoes right here on the top. You can store another pair of shoes here on the bottom, and you can store some other things such as laptop, computer accessories, some clothes. Like, definitely good for a 2-day trip, and it's like a backpack. You just put it over your back, you know what I'm saying, and roll with it, bruh. But definitely a bag that I would recommend to you all for a starter, and you can get some good money off it if you use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. Or better yet, just hit the link down below in the description. But do not let this day go by without checking out one of these bags, man. And Christmas is coming up, man, so you will make some people happy, put some smiles on some faces, man. So taking a look at the box that it comes in, it does come in that women's style box or OG 85. We've seen it before, man. The all over red, your Nike stuff written in black. And when you take a look at the size tag, it does read Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color blocking is white. Starfish. Keiko. Wow. Sell. Wow is, I mean, that's probably about the best thing on that color blocking. When you pop open the box lid, you will see that there is a lot number on the top of the lid. Regular Nike stuff on the top of the lid. You do get your white slash sale. It's more on the white side on this paper, but you do get that white paper on the inside of the shoe box. And is there any other stamps or stickers I'm not seeing? So that is pretty much it for the box of the Air Jordan 1 Starfishes, man. So let's go ahead and dive into the review, and let's throw these on feet, man. Bang! So here we have them again, man. Let's talk about first the accessories that they do come with. As you can see, it does come with a dope Nike Air hang tag, as you can see right there. It has that tumbled leather just like the shoe does, man. So some of them will be tumbled more than others. Like I said, quality control on each shoe will vary, but you do get a gold chain that hangs down from it, and you also do get this leather Jumpman patch on the front. Brown leather Jumpman patch, and it does have a basketball on the back side of it, man. So nice little touches right there. And pretty much only laces that you will get with this shoe is the orange laces that come with them from the factory. And another thing, while we talking about laces, this is exactly how your shoe will come from retailers. So it will not be OG laced with one lace. It will be laced up, man. I noticed Jordan Brand has been throwing curveballs for those replicas. You know what I'm saying? They have been doing different things. I think the Travis Scotts will have like the extra laces that they come with. They'll be laced in the shoe on the top. We have seen this with the Lost and Founds. They had 2 different color laces laced on the bottom. So they're throwing curveballs at these replica companies so that, you know, hey, y'all gotta work a little bit harder, man. But it does come already laced up. So if it does come with just the one lace at the bottom, orange laces that come with them, and it does come with a pair of sail, very lightly sail cream laces, and it has been coming in this recycled package that says move and blah blah blah, whatever it says right there on the back. But you do got your Jumpman logo, and it says shoe laces right there on the front. This is how it comes, no lace bag, none of that stuff. So this is the accessories that the Air Jordan 1 Starfishes come with. Other than that, I'm gonna put this one down. I normally do review this one, but I'm gonna put down the right shoe, grab the left shoe because it ain't got all these accessories on it, man. So let's talk about them. taking a look at the outsole, man, of a very fire shoe, man. You do have your all over orange outsole, nothing spectacular about it. Air Jordan 1 style outsole, of course. And when you take a look at the uppers of the shoe, sail hits, man. You got that nice vintage sail hit going all throughout the midsole of these, and it's a dope touch in my opinion. When you move up to the uppers, you go into that pure white color. So you got white on your side panel, white on the toe box, and you know, pretty nice combination with your sail mixed with the white. But you do get an orange swoosh on the side, as you can see. Same thing on the medial as it is on the lateral side. And like I did say, toe box white. Nice, decent leather on it, man. I do like the leather quality on it. It's like it's better than good, but it's not the greatest, but it's good, you know what I'm saying? But take a look at right here around the toe box area, that orange color. You do get a nice plush, you know what I'm saying, leather quality. See it scrunching up as I'm pushing it in right there, man. So nice leather, man. And when you take a look towards the back, man, you get a little bit more colors. You do get that fall brown, man, is what I want to call it. It's like a fall brown color, and I think it contrasts real good off the orange. So you got your brown hits right there, brown hits on the back ankle collar, then you got a nice black Wings logo right there on the top. And you do get a white sock liner, man. Y'all know I'm not the biggest fan of the white sock liners. However, these look pretty good when you have socks on with them, you know what I'm saying? Like it gives it a nice little color change from the ankle collar being brown to the top. So it's a nice little touch, but it's just gonna get dirty, man. But you know, while it's new, it does look good. So just be careful and be mindful of what kind of socks, dirty socks, that you putting on with these shoes, because it will definitely get dirty. Front of the shoe, of course, orange laces. You do get a sail tongue. Nice little contrast of sail on the tongue. So it's not white on the tongue, it is sail. And you got your nice orange Nike Air right there on the top. Moving on to the inside of the shoe, man, you do got like a fleece interior inside, cotton with that white. Like I said, man, hey, it's gonna get dirty in there, man, but nice fleece insole. When you take a look at that, you got a white insole, says Nike Air right there. It does come with shoe paper, no shoe trees. We haven't been getting shoe trees for a while. So shoe paper, when I take a look at the manufacturer's date of these, it was from February. Is that May or is that March? Is that a 5 or 3? May. So 2 months production. 2 months production on this in particular pair. Production dates may vary from shoe to shoe, but this in particular shoe batch was from March through May, or February through May. Yeah, February through May, man. So 3-month production, and these, in my opinion, are fire, man. The Air Jordan 1 Starfishes, like I did say, I don't know, I'm tossed up between top 3, top 5. We just gonna stick with top 5 because I don't even want to think in my head how many Air Jordan 1s have released this year, man. But I know it's been a lot of dope ones, so I'm not gonna, you know what I'm saying, overlook those just because I got these in my hand. So we gonna call it a top 5 Air Jordan 1 of the year. And if I had to rate these on a scale from 1 to 10, whoo, these are 9. These are a solid 9, man. The Air Jordan 1 Starfishes are a fire shoe, man. I'm just mad for y'all that have big feet who are unable to cop y'all a pair of these, man. Like I did say, it's gonna be a lot of insoles taken out for my people that wear size 11. I know y'all gonna try to squeeze y'all foot in these, man. But the brown laces, man, the brown laces that y'all do see me put in the shoe, man, it came from a person I seen on Instagram. So I don't know which page. I seen so many pages reposted. I want to give credit to the original person who did it, but I just don't know who it is, man. If y'all know who it is, tag me on Instagram so that I can get them they, you know, brownie points. I love to show love. Whenever I get an idea from somebody, I gotta show love. I don't like taking ideas and keeping it to myself like I was the one who did it. I was not the one who came up with the brown rope laces. I saw it on Instagram first, man. So shout out to you, bruh. You killed it with that lace swap. I copied you. I know the fam probably gonna copy it thinking I did it, but hey fam, I didn't do it. We keep it 100 over here, man. So shout out to him. If y'all know who it is, tag him so I could go ahead and tag him down below in the description. But other than that, man, your boy Jay is gone, man. These are fire, man. Fire, man. So let's throw these on feet. Let's swap them out. And let's get on this road to 100K, man. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Movie time. Peace.
Ascoltala.
swap it out, swap it out, swap it, swap it, swap it, swap it out, swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Swap it out, swap it, swap it, swap it, swap it out.
You too, fam.
Swap it out, what it be? You two family. It's all LUV. That's from me to you to me. Yeah, kicking major flame, how I rocks with it. Then cop by 2-3 fits and gotta cut the sauce with it. Hey,
You too, fam.
if I'm rocking with it and it's heated, oh let's get it. Kiss so cold and icy, feel so hot and spicy. Feeling like a million in my brand new pair of Nikes. Swap it, swap it, swap it, swap it out. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Swap it out. Got the people's eye, yeah. Swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy. Swap it out. Better watch me now. Swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy. Better watch me now. Swap it out. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it, swap it out. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out.
You too, fam.
Swap it, swap it, swap it, swap it out. Swap it out. Swap it out. Swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy. Swap it out. Better watch me now, the heat I'm copping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out.